Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Just Canada Adventures. Beautiful sunny day, and I'm excited for this weekend because it's Father's Day weekend, and also we are going to go for our second camping trip. Later on, after my son finishes class, we are going to drive for 2.5 hours to see John and spend a weekend with him in the campground.
Your destination is on the left.
Hi guys, it's Saturday morning and it's 11 degrees. So we are camping right now. It's a camping weekend, but then we decided to drive around the Crown Land. It's a government property and you can drive around or even camping here for free. And then we just want to go to the Ram Falls and see some beautiful spots over there. So let's go, guys. Look at that. Horse is over there. Play with their poop. Look at that. Okay, stop now for a bit.
Yeah, hang on. You gotta get the good cut. There you go. Okay, you got people behind us.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't realize you were. Okay, lady, you gotta take
Hi, Cocos. Moo. Say moo. Hi, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Entering the main falls. That's how we get water back home. Yeah. Like, look at that pretty. So we are at Aylmer Provincial Recreation Area. Because we've been sitting in the car. Look at the water, but strong, hey? The current. That's a good spot there, love.
Yeah.
Oh, people here?
Yeah, on the other side.
Look at that. The water current is strong. I love this place. This is the perfect place for like camping. This is over here. That one there is deep. See that, guys? It's so beautiful. Look at that view. Earlier it was raining, now it's a little bit sunny and it's a bit warm. I can sit here for like all day. Have a little picnic down there. Bring some food and blanket. And that's it. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's like down there.
Whoever gets in first is the one who's going straight, right? The Miners Cafe?
There's supposed to be kind of a museum in here or something walking around.
Oh. There's a museum there.
Yeah. I thought we'll walk around and look at a bunch of stuff.
They have a small library there. Public library. This must be closed because it's weekend. Yeah, this is Catholic church. This is like a small town, right?
Yep.
Nordic town. Look at that little tiny library. Everything is small. Canteen. Hotel. How was your beer?
Good. Old.
Oh, look at that. What's this?
That's my red peppers.
Red peppers and onion, and this is potato? For dinner. Look. All right. Pork barbecue.
Do it one-handed because you have a hammer in the other hand, right? So it's very tricky to manage to get them, right? So kind of fun to try. And here Warren goes, so don't miss this.
Alright, so you got that. Basically twisting on. Oh, just like that.
Oops.
So, but if we were gonna really get serious about it, like Warren right now would put one piece of metal in and then take it out and hammer.
Enjoy your walk, guys.
Thank you.
How you liking it so far?
Love it out here.
Love it? Yeah, me too. Did you talk to our friends over again? They're a famous Rocky Mountain House Cup again. We have a beaver, a duvet beaver, which is what they'd make top hats out of. Very soft, very supple. Now we would actually let the guests touch it back in the days, but unforeseen circumstances have prevented that.
Yeah.
We have a rabbit, an otter, muskrat, a fisher, an ermine, which is different from a weasel, but they are a weasel, a skunk, a mink, a pine marten, a wolverine,
Whoa.
a badger, a lynx, a red fox, 2 cross foxes, a silver fox,
Oh.
a coyote, a wolf, our bison, and our bear.
Wow. Someone wants to practice. Yeah. Signal. Turn. Go. You don't know how to turn, yeah? You get stop and then
Oh, and then let her pass.
go. Okay. Yeah, keep going. Okay. Keep going.
I'm going.
All right.
Now where do I go? Just park there?
No, you go in front of that trailer. I will turn the car.
I can do it.
And then park. More. And then you stop and park.
Oh,
Good job in parking in the middle. So for Father's Day lunch, we will have chicken kebab and salad. So you don't have biological kids, but you have lots of kids.
You want me to gain weight again, don't you?
No,
I think so.
we love you. That's why we get you the best that you wanted.
You get me so I can gain weight.
No, I like it when you lose weight.
Me too. Oh. Thank you.
It has 3-year warranty, so
Oh, I thought you give me the receipt so I can pay you back.
you can. It's expensive.
I know. We looked at these.
But it's more expensive now. You know, when you open a present, you have to read the card.
I didn't read the card yet.
Open the
I
card.
didn't find the card yet. Sure?
If we come here and it's too hot, then I can use it too.
Oh, you see, Coco, too.
Oh. See, I got your favorite chips. So kid. That's the warranty. You have to keep that one.
Do you want to keep that? Because you know me.
You're just like a dad to me.
Yeah, I read that. Thank you, buddy.
Happy Father's Day! We are heading home now to Calgary. It's 19 degrees and we are driving for 2.5 hours. We'll see if it's 2.5 hours. Maybe 2 hours. Open sesame. Okay, we are getting off now.